Everyone's heard of ChatGPT side hustles by now. But here's the truth. Most of the AI hustle videos on YouTube are just recycled nonsense. Today, I'm showing you 3 real AI side hustles that people are quietly making serious money with in 2025. Let's start with number 1. AI-powered freelancing. Instead of offering just writing or design services, combine AI tools with your skills. Use ChatGPT for drafts, Midjourney for visuals, and automation tools like Zapier or Make to deliver faster than anyone else. Clients don't care how you get it done, they care that it's better and faster. Number 2. YouTube automation with AI. You don't have to show your face. Use AI tools like Pictory for video creation, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and ChatGPT for scripts. These faceless channels are quietly earning ad revenue and affiliate income every month, and most people don't even know they exist. Number 3. AI templates and digital products. Here's where the real passive income starts. Use tools like Notion AI or Canva Magic Studio to create customizable templates, planners, business trackers, resume kits. Then sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. Make it once, sell it forever. And the best part? All 3 of these hustles can be started today for free or close to it. You don't need followers, fancy gear, or a tech background. You just need the curiosity to learn, and the consistency to keep going. So instead of chasing the next trend, build something real with the tools you already have. Because in 2025, the people who win aren't the ones using AI, they're the ones owning it.